Still keeping your crypto on exchanges? Don't. This is the OneKey Classic 1S hardware wallet with offline cold storage security that's built right in and supports 100 different blockchains including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Sol, USB Tether, and many more. And Bluetooth and wire connectivity are included with an ultra slim design that lets you take this with you anywhere that you would like. NFT and DeFi ready right outside of the box as well, with a rechargeable battery that plugs in via USB-C. It works on desktop and mobile, so you can take this with you wherever you need it, with an open source audited design, so you know that this is super secure. You're not going to have to worry about your coins, with a tamper resistant packaging as well, so you know that nobody has touched this design. And with the beginner friendly setup, anybody can set this device up and start using your crypto securely managed with the OneKey Classic 1S hardware wallet. Thanks for watching.